Welcome to the channel, where we find the best of things so you don't have to look. If you clicked on this video, you must be looking for the best apps and websites to use to make investments on. Before you invest in stocks or maybe even a mutual fund, you're gonna need an account. So today, we're gonna give you the top 6 best apps to use. Remember that these ratings could change over time, and even though these are the top 6 we recommend, there are still others that you may like even more. We took a peek at reviews, invested a little on each platform. Actually, we have been using some of these ourselves for some time now, and we've made sure that these were all legit. After doing some research, these are the top 6 best stock trading apps we recommend. The first one we're going to talk about here is Fidelity Investments, which is giving away a free $100 to anyone that opens an account and funds it with $50 or more. The special code is Fidelity100, which I'll put in the description, and the link to that page will be down there as well. If you fund your account within 15 days, you'll receive the deposit within 25 days from when your account was opened. If you don't have any cash to fund your account at the moment, that's no big deal. You can still open an account fee-free. And then you can get started on your research for which investment options you want to go with. After you're all signed up and everything, you can head back to the home page, where you can see even from here that Fidelity Investments is among the very best online brokerage platforms available, offering a comprehensive suite of tools, research and investable assets. You can create a watch list, or set up some alerts for stocks you want to stay updated about. You can modify your profile to how you want it, and so much more. This platform's wealth of resources make Fidelity a great choice for both veteran traders and new investors, which is why it's one of the top best stock trading app platforms out there. The next one we have here is E-Trade. This platform also has some special sign-up bonuses from $50 all the way up to $3,500 cash back for you. The only downfall to this is that you're going to need cash on hand to deposit in order to receive these bonuses. The good thing is that if you have the extra cash to put into the account to get one of these offers, you can take the cash back out after a certain amount of days. You also have up to 60 days to get the funds deposited after opening the account. You'll need the promo code BONUS22 when opening the account, which will be in the description, along with a link that takes you to the sign-up page where you can open an account. Remember, if you don't have the cash to get the bonuses on any of the apps we talk about here today, it doesn't mean you can't open an account. It only means you can't get the bonuses. E-Trade has a very organized website, I would say, and it's actually pretty easy to navigate through, with links to their account types, where they even give you a nice and quick explanation of what you can do with each account. They have a nice breakdown of their prices and rates as well, which are basically the fees for trading on their platform. Other sites does have these same features, but the organization here is phenomenal, I would say. There's even a video on here giving a short explanation about online investing and how simple it can be with certain steps. And that's why E-Trade is one of the top 6 apps to trade stocks on. Up next we have Ally Bank, which is going to make me sound like I have too many favorites. But it's another one I like and I actually have used a lot. Ally Invest. I'm sure you've also heard of Ally because they have so many other known services to offer, like checking and savings accounts that have a $0 monthly or minimum deposit fee. Unlike your everyday banks that you probably don't even notice have fees until you really pay attention to your bank statements. Ally also has an annual 3% yield compared to the 1% your other everyday banks might offer. Ally also has some great mortgage, auto loan, car loan, and personal loan rates as well, but we'll have to get deeper into all that in another video, maybe, if you guys recommend it in the comments. When we talk about Ally investing and retirement choices, you have a lot to choose from as well. What I like most is that Ally doesn't make you feel overwhelmed when you look at all your investment options, though it could seem like a lot when you look at everything, but it's really only as bad as you make it seem. Ally also has some crypto trading options and many others for you to check out when you're ready to invest. With 4.5 stars in reviews, Ally is definitely one of the top best apps to trade stocks on, as well as for doing other things on. I'm sure you've heard of this one, which is TD Ameritrade. It's one of the first ones I remember using when trying to get into trading a while ago. TD Ameritrade has a great variety of investment choices for you on their platform, all commission free. It's great for beginner and experienced traders as well, You can trade just about everything with them, from stocks, options, ETFs, features and forex, and more. They even allow crypto trading here. One I like is the educational tab they have on the Ameritrade site, which is also available on the app. This gives beginners some good ideas and steps to take before making your first trade. Before you invest on any platform, I would recommend that you compare their trading prices, create you an account and just scroll around on the platforms to see if you like what they have to offer. See if you like their organization for yourself. Just know that we're only here to help, and it's why we're giving you the top best 6 to choose from, according to stats and opinions. With that being said, the link to Ameritrade is in the description for you to see for yourself, but if you ask me, this is definitely an all-time top favorite. Now these last two are giving away a free stock, or free stocks when you sign up. So if you haven't already, you should consider signing up for both. This next one is called Webull. Though this platform hasn't been around for that long, what I can tell you is that it is definitely legit, and I confirm that I have gotten my free stock for signing up. Webull does want you to make a deposit to get that free stock, but after a certain amount of time you can trade your stock back in for cash and also transfer your cash back into your bank account to use again. Webull is commission free just like the others, and has thousands of companies and fractional shares for as little as $5 to trade. They also have options, ETFs, OTCs, crypto and so many other things to check out on this platform. Always remember to check out their pricings to compare to the other platforms, but you can always do that before signing up, and also don't forget that just because you create an account doesn't mean you have to invest on that platform. You can use that account to see what it's like just being a member if you want. With Webull being one of the top 6, we recommend you should definitely check them out or sign on up to get a stock for free. There's a link in the description that takes you exactly where you need to be to get the free giveaways. Last but not least, we have here is Robinhood, which is a very known platform, also one I have used quite a bit. Also one that gives you a free stock for signing up. This one also gives you the chance to earn more free stocks when you refer someone else to their platform to create an account. You may have to deposit about $5 or add your bank account to qualify for the offer, but just like the other platforms, you can always trade the stock back in and send the money you deposit back to your bank account if you decide to after a certain amount of days go by. Now what I would say about Robinhood is that this is a nice platform for beginners because of how easy it is to navigate and understand the app. Robinhood has a great news section that keeps you updated about what's happening with the most known stocks in public, which can help you when making a decision about what you might want to invest in next. To be honest, I can go on and on about Robinhood all day, but there's a link in the description for you to go and check it out for yourself. Remember that it's free to do that. And that wraps it up for the top 6 best apps and websites to trade stocks and invest on. If you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and comment anything you would like us to make a helpful video about next. Thanks again for watching.